Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today an unboxing review of our NAVIFORCE watch is prepared for you guys, and the model number is the NF8021. Okay, now let's start. As you can see here, the black outside box is very textured, and as for gift, it is very nice. And let me read it off. And here there are two things. The first one is the guarantee card. Our warranty period is for 1 year. And another thing is the instruction manual. With this menu card, you can adjust your new watch quite clearly. And now let's see the watch that we will unbox today. Here the watch, this is the NF8021. It is a Quartz Chronograph watch. And first, let's have a look at the back side. And from the back side, you can know the information of this watch, that is the 3 ATM waterproof, and the back material is the stainless steel material. And this watch uses the hardened mineral glass so that it is scratch resistant and very durable to use. The case diameter of this watch is 44 mm and the thickness is 13 mm. The case make uses of zinc alloy material, and the strap is stainless steel material. The total length of this watch is 235 mm, and you can notice that the strap is a 3-link design and has very nice quality. And this watch uses folding buckle with safety. Very easy to wear and convenient. Let me show you. Now let's pay more attention to the dial design of this model. You can see that this watch, the dial design is quite funny. In this look, you can see the distribution of 3 chronographing windows, and the calendar windows forms into a robot face. It shows a sense of future. And on the dial surface, there is also applying the cross that Paris as pattern is symmetric design. And on the bezel, you can see here the screws. There are 6 screws on the bezel, and the bezel between the 2 screws there is the cross step Paris that make forms into a dimension was it shows a sense of mental fortitude, quite resolute style. And at the 12 o'clock position, it is a 1/10-second window, and the 6 o'clock position, it is a second window, and the 9 o'clock is a minute window, and at the 4 o'clock position, the functional window represent the date. It is the surrounding, it is red surrounding, and it is for the date display. Now press the button here, you can start the chronograph. Press it again to stop and then reset. Finally, let me introduce you all colors of this model. There are a total of 6 colors here. This one is the silver black. It is very cool. And this one is the silver white. Quite funny and interesting, the design. And the third one color is the silver blue. And the fourth one is the gold green. The color scheme is quite nice and manful. And the fifth one is the solid gold. The dial is glittery and shine. And the last one is the gold black. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF8021 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.